Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a bio lesson which is chemical basis of life. The topic is chemical basis of life, which simply means how the living life composed by chemical compounds. So the main point is every living organism is composed by chemical compounds, and chemical compounds are composed by elements, and elements are the things you can see in periodic table, and the modern periodic table has about 120 elements. So out of those 120 elements, a living body has about 25 elements, which means a living body simply composed by 25 elements out of those 120 elements in the periodic table. So out of those 25 elements in the living body, the most common or the most abundant 4 elements are, as you can see here, a living body is composed by 25 elements, which means a living body has about 25 elements. From those 25 elements, there are 4 most common elements, and they are oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. As a percentage, they are like this. As a percentage, oxygen contains 65%, and carbon 65%, and carbon about 18%, and hydrogen about 10%, and nitrogen about 3%. And as you can see here, when we add all these things, it is 96%. So you can wonder what are the other 4% goes for. The other 4% goes for elements such as sulfur, potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, iron, etc. So in summary, there are 120 elements in the periodic table, and a living organism is composed by chemical compounds, and those chemical compounds are made by those 120 elements, and from those 120 elements there are about 25 elements in a living body, and out of those 25 elements in the living body, there are 4 most common elements, and they are oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen, and their percentage is like this, and the other 4% contains sulfur, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, iron, etc.